Hello and welcome to Maths with Mr Amison. In this video we're going to be looking at different representations of data in charts, and we're going to be completing a multiple choice quiz. If you need to recap this topic, then please watch Mr Chowdhury's video. For each question, feel free to pause and have a go before you move on. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. So let's go through the answers to these questions. Question 1, the answer was 36. If each full face is 12 people, we have 11 full faces, so that's 11 12s, which is 132. And then we have another full face made up of 2 quarter faces and a half a face, so that's 12 full faces altogether, so 144 faces. And then we have 4 days, so we have to do 144 divided by the 4 days. 144 divided by 4 is 36. Question 2. How many more cars pass at 3 o'clock than at 11 o'clock? Well, at 3 o'clock we have 15 cars because it's in the middle of the 14 and 16. So be careful when you read that to read it correctly. And here we have 10 cars, so it's a 5 car difference, so B. Question 3, the answer was B, 4. That's because it's how many days if you have less than 5 hours. Well, 5 hours sunshine is right here. Nuki is are the bars with the lines, so it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday all had less than 5 hours, therefore 4 days. Question 4, the stem and leaf diagram. If you look at the key, we read it as 145 for the boys, 141 for the girls here. So 132, 134, 138, etc. Now we want to know the median height of the girls, so we're just interested in this side of the diagram. 130, 132, etc. Now the median is the middle one, and because stem and leaf diagrams are already in order, there are 6 girls here represented by the 13, so 130, 132, 133, 6 altogether. There are 6 more in the 140s, and there are 2 in the 150s. That's 14 altogether. Now, if you want the middle value, want the median, because there are 14 pieces of data, we can add one to get 15 and divide by 2. So it's 7.5. So somewhere between the 7th and the 8th piece of data. Now the 7th piece of data is this one here. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 1. And the 8th piece of data is the 2. That doesn't mean between 1 and 2, it means between 141 and 142. Between 141 and 142, for the 7.5, this here, therefore is 141.5. Question 5, the histograms question, the answer was 10. To find out how many students took between 20 and 25 seconds, the frequency from a histogram is the area of each of the bars. So the area of this bar will tell us the number of people between 20 and 25 seconds. So this bottom length is 5. The height goes up to 2. So 5 times 2 is therefore 10. Okay? Thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. Bye for now.